Let's bring in Mark Lytle, co-counsel for one IRS Special Agent Gary Shapley. Mark, it's great to have you on. I want to put this up. This is Abby Lowell. This is Hunter Biden's attorney kind of going after you. He said the following, quoting here, various leaders of the House and its committees have discarded the established protocols of Congress, rules of conduct, and even the law in what can only be called an obsession with attacking the Biden family. These interviews were orchestrated recitations of mischaracterized and incomplete facts by disgruntled agents who believe they knew better than the federal prosecutors. Why disgruntled? Why rogue actors? What's your take on Abby Lowell's response?
Hey, Trace, thanks for having me on the show today. I appreciate being able to respond. These attacks are really nothing more than just character assassination. Special Agent Shapley has gone through the process, the legal process of disclosing and becoming a whistleblower. Mm-hmm. He went to Capitol Hill. He sat for hours of testimony, questioned by Democrats and Republicans, taking their turns, whatever topics they wanted to get into, they could ask him. He was under the penalties of being prosecuted for false statements if he gave a false statement. And, you know, these are the attacks that are going on, and the narrative is being carried into the press in the Washington Post. And if I could, Trace, I'd love to talk to you about our interaction with the Washington Post on this issue.
Quickly, yeah, sure.
Yeah, so, you know, the Washington Post carries a story about Abby Lowell's letter and the allegations that our client is an illegal leaker. And he cites to this October 6, 2022 letter that describes a leak, and a leak from the agents or from someone, you know, with knowledge. So we wrote a letter to the Washington Post, and we're so confident that our client was not the leaker that we submitted an affidavit to the Washington Post saying he authorizes anyone at the Washington Post, including the authors, Devlin Barrett, Perry Stein, that they can disclose his name as a source. He knows he's not. So we want them to say he's not the source. But what do? They don't do that. They republish the story and republish the allegations that are baseless and groundless by Abby Lowell.
I want to know, Abby Lowell says the timing here on your part is suspicious, on the House Oversight Committee's part is suspicious, and that he believes that the Oversight Committee is acting in bad faith. I've got about 40 seconds left for you, Mark. Give us your final thoughts.
Well, I mean, you know, our client came in. We've had to negotiate to navigate the taxpayer secrecy laws. That took a little bit of time. There had to be some legal opinions issued, we believe. And he got in there as soon as they could have him. And I don't know anything about the timing, but the timing of the attack is really suspect. These attacks are meritless, baseless, and we're watching to defend our client. And we wish the press wouldn't cover these attacks when they're baseless, and they know they're baseless.
Yeah. Mark Lytle, it's great to have you on. Thank you.
I'm Steve Ducey.
I'm Brian Kilmeade.
And I'm Ainsley Earhart. And click here to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page to catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis.